Hello guys, in this video we shall learn how to draft classified advertisement which are smaller and typically do not contain pictures, logos and maps. But before that we need to know what is an advertisement. An advertisement is a public announcement made through any available medium like newspapers, magazines, radio, television, and cinema. It can be about product, service, or an idea. Advertisements influence people, their minds, tastes, and motives. There are various type of advertisements. Like first one, situation wanted vacant. These are the advertisements for job. The next one is lost and found missing. The next one is for sale and purchase. The next to let for rent. The next for accommodation wanted, and last matrimonial advertisements. So first we will take the advertisement for situation vacant. Here are some value points which you must remember while writing the advertisement for situation vacant. First, we will write the title situation vacant at top in center of the box. Then after writing the title, we need to specify the post and number of vacancies, then qualities of the person required. Now see, if you are advertising a post for receptionist, then you would look for qualities like she should have good communication skill and pleasing personality. So mention your requirements. Then comes name of the company, and after that age and sex, whether a female or male candidate is required. Then pay scale and perks. Perks means benefits. After that, mode of applying. At last you will mention contact address and phone number. So students, here is the practice exercise. You are general manager, hotel, Dosa, Gurgaon. You need a lady front office assistant with sound knowledge of computers. She must be a graduate and good in communication skills with pleasing manners. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in Gurgaon Times. So students, most of the things are provided in the question like name of the post, contact, address, name of the company, qualities of the person required, essential qualification. Now let us see how to write an advertisement. Now let's see how to write this advertisement. In first line, we have given the title situation vacant. If any company and institution is asking the candidates to apply for job, then the heading is going to be situation vacant. And we will start with wanted. Wanted a lady front office assistant for a reputed hotel in Gurgaon. Candidates should be between 25 to 35 years of age, graduate, good in communication skills, with pleasing manners, and also have sound knowledge of computers. Interested candidates can send their resume to the General Manager, Hotel Dosa, Gurgaon within 10 days. This is the mode of applying. Here you may tell that you can apply online also. So students, most of the things are provided in question. We should just know how to write. After writing advertisement, you need to draw the box. So students, here are some value points for situation wanted advertisement. At first, personal details are to be given like age, sex, health, education, profession, experience and other qualities. And the candidate may give his or her preference like type of jobs, area, locality, emoluments, and in the end, candidate must tell his contact address and phone number. See, this is a sample advertisement for situation wanted. Now, here also let's check what are the things that examiner has already provided in the question. You are Karan Karuna of M114 Mall Road, Delhi. You are a civil engineer and have recently returned from UAE. You are looking for a suitable job in India. Draft an advertisement for the same in about 50 words. Give details of your qualification, experience, nature of job, and expected remuneration. So, students, here also most of the things are provided in the question, like profession, contact address, personal details, and preference. This is situation wanted advertisement. In first line we have given the title situation wanted and how we have started. A qualified civil engineer recently returned from UAE seeks a suitable job in India. Done civil engineering from Jamia Millia University, 15 years experience of working in the construction field in reputed firms in India and UAE. Expected remuneration negotiable. Contact Karan M114 Mall Road, Delhi. So this is the example of situation wanted advertisement.